Hi, my name is David Alejandro Gonzalez Pinzon. Um, uh, I am a student on at SEAD Doral. Um, this is my work. Uh, Application exercises for the development of following exercises, not GG correspond to the word number three last digits, the identification number. In uh, in my is 422. Figure 1 propagation of normal wave infinite medium. Find the reflection coefficient, uh, reflectance and transmittance. They are calculated. This is the ability to reflect electromagnetic energy that the surface has. Is 0.46. And this ability of surface Remy power is 99. Interpretations. It can be seen that on the incident power of the electromagnetic wave 9954 percent is transmitted, only 0.46% of the reflected power P1 is very small compared to the transmitted power P2. Therefore, the power of the wave passes almost entirely. Um, um, I have GeoGebra shape. Figure 3 propagation normal wave in infinite medium. Calculate and determine mine. The propagation constant on the wall must be found is made out of no dissipative magnetic material. Then the path constant on the wall is calculated. The input impedance is for taking into account the thickness of the wall x. We proceed to calculate the reflection coefficient, the first interface given by the transmission coefficient is given by power transmitted to the wall, 99% of the power emitted by emitter is transmitted on the wall. The reflectance on the first phase on the wall is given by. This means that only in the power that returns to the mirror reflected power. Transmitted power, the reflection coefficient second phase on the wall is. The equivalent transmittance is reflection coefficient in phase 2. Reflected power, transmitted power, the power transmitted from the generation received of time, the product to transmissions. This means that a power emitted by the transmitter reaches the receiver 0.1% on the power return, therefore only 0.5 of the power remains on the wall. The transmitted power in no time. Proceed the share results in the GeoGebra tool. Interpretation. The amplitude the reflected wavelength respect incident wave result in wide amount electromagnetic wave light passing through on the wall resulted in no radio on the amplitude of the incident reflected wave through to the product on the two transmitting. The transmitting port was obtained, which indicated that 99.51% of the power emitted reaches the receiver. An electromagnetic wave propagates through several media as shown in the graphic. Solution: absolute refractive indices data share result in the Fibera tools. Thank you.